Just showing removing these windows, because I'm going to, my plan today is to try and get this roof up by some sort of a ratchet system that I can just open it and close it when I need, and that way I can open it for a few days to get it to air out properly safely. I didn't want to use the wood chock I was using. You can see it's quite damaged up here, but all repairable. I've got one window out and I'm just working on the second one now. I've taken out the side windows and I've started to rig up some sort of a pulley system so I can actually lift the door and work on it, because at the moment there's no hydraulics or electrics or anything to open the doors. So I will give you a quick rundown of what I've set up and then we'll see how it goes. Thanks. Okay, so this is what I've rigged up. I've rigged up some pulley systems that run back across here on both sides, but I need to adjust a few things because I've got my block and tackle just kicked in down here, so it's away from the car, but I've run out of room to pull it up anymore, and you can see it's barely pulled up the roof. So now I need to adjust these straps I've got here and shorten them, probably just double them over and put them up under the door. And I'll do that in the next few days because it's still 30 odd degrees in this garage at almost 8 o'clock at night, and I need to stop for the day. Okay, thanks everyone.